Hi there, it's Matteo. In this video, I'm gonna make high hydration pizza with long time leavening. So check this out. Ingredients: flour. This is high gluten flour. High gluten because long time leavening needs a strong high gluten flour. It is 1 kilo. And water. Water is 87% of the weight of the flour. Therefore, 1 kilo flour, 870 grams water. I save some water in the little cup for next. And I add little by little to the flour. Now I don't want it to be perfectly smooth, so I coarsely knead. I just want the flour to be wet. It takes 20-30 seconds. So coarsely mixed like this. Check with my fingers. Yes, it is completely wet. Now I cover and let it rest room temperature for 1 hour. Yeast. Yeast is half teaspoon, or with a scale is 1.7 grams. I melt dry active yeast in the water. Now after resting, I can add yeast water to the flour mixture and knead on low speed for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I get ready with salt. It's 2 tablespoons of salt, which is about 30 grams of salt. Yeah, 28.8 grams. After 5 minutes, I add salt and keep kneading for other 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes, I check the dough. One quick fold by hand, and then I add some extra virgin olive oil. Now all the ingredients are inside, so just keep kneading on low speed for other 25 minutes. So 40 total minutes. Of course, this video is fast forward. Now I grease the box with some olive oil. I wet the table because the dough is very sticky, so I don't want it to stick on the table. And I fold with my hands. This is very important. I wet my hands, I grab the dough, smash it on the table, and fold on itself. I want the air to be trapped inside the dough. Keep folding a little bit more. And it goes in the box. I close and let it rest on room temperature for 1 hour. I close, but I make a little hole because I need the dough to breathe. So 1 hour room temperature. After that, in the fridge for 48 hours. After 48 hours, looks like this. More fold. couple of times. And then we want it to leaven 2 hours, room temperature. After 2 hours, looks like this. More folds. Folds are very important for a good leavening. Always the same technique. So I smash on the table and fold on itself. And then I turn around in order to seal the bottom and rest room temperature for 2 hours. Now I want to make the loaf out of the big dough. So for an average tray, it is about 600, maximum 650 grams. Some more fold. And 2 more hours leavening room temperature. Now the dough is ready. I put some water in the preheated oven because I need steam for a nice cooking. Semolina flour on the table. I enlarge my pizza by my fingertips very gently. I don't want it to stress it out too much. And then place on the tray. Fill all the holes. And then I season with some tomato sauce, olive oil, salt, oregano, and that's it. A basic red pizza. So preheated oven, the maximum temperature it can reach. After 7-8 minutes, I check the bottom. It's not ready yet, so a little longer. It takes 17-18 minutes cooking. So here it is. Thank you by Matteo, and see you next tutorial. Bye!